Breaking news, Brown Oupa Mogotsi has been arrested. Pule Jones, oyintatheli ye-ENCA, ubhale kanje, ENCA has exclusive learned that Brown Mogotsi has been arrested. He was nabbed by Gauteng detectives and PKTT between Pretoria and Johannesburg. He is in custody at a police station in Gauteng, undisclosed for security reasons. Even kokubona le post kaPule Jones, ngeke ngazibuza ukuthi kazi uBrown Mogotsi uboshelweni. Uma ngithi ngiyobheka ephejini le-SAPS ngathola nansi message ebhalwele wonke ama-media houses. Ifundeka kanje. Men arrested for Foslorus case of defeating the ends of justice. Pretoria, 15 May 2026. A SAPS multidisciplinary team has this evening executed a J50 warrant of arrest and arrested a suspect for defeating the ends of justice. The case emanates from the alleged staging of an attempt assassination on the suspect's life in Foslorus. Preliminary investigations have revealed that the firearm used in the commission of the crime has also been linked to other serious and violent crimes, including cases of murder and attempted murder. The suspect is expected to appear before the Johannesburg Magistrate Court on Monday, 18 May 2026. Uzokhumbula ukuthi Brown Mogotsi ngesikhathi kwakuhlelwa ukuthi funeka azotestifya phambi kweMadlanga Commission, wavela umbiko wokuthi kunabantu ababezama ukudubula imoto yakhe. Wakwazi yena ukuthi aphume emotweni abaleke, kodwa imoto yayidubulekile yona. Amaphoyisa afika ngalelo langa, abe-forensic benza umsebenzi wawo, bathatha istatement kuBrown Mogotsi. Even ne-commission yathi izomprovide nge-security ukuze aphephe, ngoba lo muntu bezotestifya kuyiMadlanga Commission. Kodwa amaphoyisa manje amcharge uBrown Mogotsi for staging. Usho ukuthi lento le yayingekho njengoba abantu babesho bethi uzidubulele yena imoto yakhe.
The case emanates from the alleged staging of an attempted assassination on the suspect's life in Foslorus. Preliminary investigations have revealed that the firearm used in the commission of the crime has also been linked to other serious and violent crimes, including cases of murder and attempted murder. The suspect is expected to appear before the Johannesburg Magistrate Court on Monday, the 18th of May.
Brigadier Adlenda Mathe is confirming le ndaba esikhuluma ngayo ukuthi ngempela uboshiwe, noma yena engamshongo ngegama, kodwa uPule Jones basitshelile ngoba yena benoYusuf Abraham G bakuyisini la aboshwe khona. Khumbula ukuthi uBrown Mogotsi bekatestifya khona namuhla kuyiMadlanga Commission, khona namuhla ubetestify. So mhlambe mabesendleleni bayibonile lento. Athi ngikukhumbuze kancane, khumbuze nje.
You know, I was very much disturbed when my life was attempted, you know, in Foslorus. Before I could even give a statement, because people thought I'm a Superman, I'm trying to lie that I was moving like this inside, you know, in the riddle of bullets, whereas by luck, I don't know what happened. It was only one shot because those people followed me for so long. I thought they could not find me. When they saw my car, they fired a shot. I managed to drive because they were driving on a speed 10 left on that particular street. Fortunately, they passed to go and make a U-turn. That's when I ran for my life. But before I could even give the statement, they were saying, hey, this may be a staged assassination, this, and that's what made me very worried. It was presented as if after that incident, I will say, I don't want to come here. I wanted to come here.
Ngoba ngishilo ukuthi ngibuyele emuva nje for ukukukhumbuza kuphela ukuthi kwenzakalani ngalelo langa. And abantu abangama eyewitness ababona lapha bakhuluma istory esihlukile from lesi show Brown Mogotsi. Ngicela uzwe la.
Well, the Brown Mogotsi saga has taken an explosive twist. The Northwest businessman has vanished underground after what's being described as an attempt on his life. Bullets rained down on Mokgotzi's vehicle in Vosloorus last night, yet he escaped without a scratch. Police found no trace of blood inside the bullet-ridden car, and Mokgotzi has, of course, been widely linked to alleged police corruption and has been called to appear at both the Madlanga Commission and Parliament's ad hoc committee. Questions are swirling over what really went down last night. Eyewitnesses have painted a different picture of what happened, suggesting that Mokgotzi may have pulled the trigger himself.
Umnikazi wemoto uyadubula imoto yakhe.
Yona le red ise police station manje.
Yiyo le yona le. Ifike yama lapha. Akusanenye imoto ifike yama. Yiyo i1. Problem ukuthi mayenzeka bekungaziwa ukuthi uye simaze after masilili naye la ukuthi uBrown Mokgotzi.
He said there's a guy who's following him from Spruit View, BP Garage.
Okuningi sizokuzwa kahle Monday. Uma ngabe sekufunda i-charge sheet sizozwa kahle ukuthi la macala bekwa wona aphathelene nani. Okwesibili nalesibhamu ngoba amaphoyisa athothi lesibhamu lesi angithi yazi ukuthi amaphoyisa athatha inhlamvu amagobolondo lawo inhlamvu ama-cartridge njengoba athatha lawo ma-cartridge lawo aselinka ke manje lawo ma-cartridge namanye ama-cases okusho ukuthi manje sekufuneka akhiphe isibhamu uma ngabe nguye ngempela owadubula imoto yakhe funeka sikhiphe isibhamu asho ukuthi isikuphi. Nanso ke into esisele manje sizozwa ke Monday sobona makhamba iviki ukuthi kuqhubeka kanjani. Ya South Africa ziyabuya ziyabuya. Bese ngiyikhohliwe indaba kaBrown Mokgotzi ukuthi konje wathi ensukwini la funeka azotestifya khona kwavela indaba zokuthi kudutshula imoto yakhe. Ngikhunjuzwa nje kubona lezi ndaba ukuthi useboshiwe kwase kuthola uboshela ukuthi wa stage le yanto le waqamba manga wathi udutshuliwe. Angifuni ke kwanda kakhulu endabeni kaBrown Mokgotzi. Kune video ebitrend izolo yabo sisa ababili abebedlala ngesibhamu. Thi khombise lo video le. Funa ukutrenda ngelinye ilanga kuyabheda ngoba kuyakufaka enkingeni kufake nalabo sondele nabo enkingeni. SAPS arrested two men aged 21 and 34 in Tembisa, Gauteng after a viral video showed women recklessly handling firearms. Police seized the unlicensed firearms from the video and a hijacked car. Two men were charged with contravening the Firearms Control Act, illegal possessions of unlicensed firearms and ammunition, and possession of a hijacked vehicle. They are set to appear in Tembisa Magistrate Court next week. Police are still tracing the women from the video and say the arrest warned that reckless firearm handling won't be tolerated. Ukuphapha kubuye kuhluphe ngelinye ilanga. Labantu laba bebehambela ngemoto yabo eshisayo, bengenankinga nayo, benezibhamu zabo, bengafunwa ngamaphoyisa, bengabazi nokubazi. Namhlanje sebeboshiwe. Icala lesibhamu lihlupha lana, ufika ubanjwe isibhamu, uboshela ipossession yokuphatha isibhamu esingekho semthethweni. Ukubalwa inhlamvu. Inhlamvu nga1 uphinde uboshelwe ukuthi uphethe isibhamu. Uphinde nje uthi contravening of Firearm Controls Act. So amaningi amacala, so awu3 amacala noma 4. Amacala osubekwa wona nje ngecala lesibhamu. Lihlupha nje ngalokho. ukuthi ufike ubanjelwe isibhamu lesi asikakayi ku-ballistic ukuze siveze amanye amacala. Khuluma nje ukuthi bakuthole naso i-possession of i-unlicensed firearm, icala lelo. I-possession of unlicensed ammunition, icala lelo. Contravening license for firearm what, i-firearm controls what, icala lelo. Mase sesibuya ku-ballistic, uma ungabe uneshwa lesibhamu sake sabulala, leyo case mangabe imurder iyobe ingeyakho. Nanso-ke inkinga yesibhamu. Nanso-ke inkinga. Asibambe le video. Bengikwazisa nje indaba ezenzeke manje. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo.